Hey guys, Kalila or Callie here, and welcome to day 6 of me knitting on the Ava cardigan. You're probably like, oh my gosh, new glasses. No, these glasses are not new. I got them the same time I got my other glasses. I just forgot that I have these. I got these glasses to be my obnoxious, look at me, look at my glasses, and then my other ones are like my normal everyday glasses. So these are like my fashion glasses. Like, I wanted them to be obnoxious. I wanted them to be bigger than my face. I loved it. Oh, I forgot to change my battery last night. Okay, hold on. And we're back. Okay. Anyway, here is my garment, okay? Let's give a reminder that I finished the body before the ribbing, and as you know, stockinette without any edging rolls up. So it may look a little short, but it's literally here to my waist. I'm wearing my Lyon sweater by Petite Knit. So today, my goal is to finish the ribbing. To start and finish the ribbing. Because I have not started it yet, but this just reminded me to change out my needles because I need to, let's put that up. I need to get my 3.5s. I would be so annoyed if I accidentally knitted this on 4 millimeters instead of the 3.5s. I would be so sad. Okay. Anyway, so that's my plan for today. I also need to edit and schedule 7 YouTube videos. Ooh! That literally sounds crazy. Listen, I did it before, okay? Let me see, 3.5. I did it before, a couple weeks ago. So, I know I can do it. I know I can do it. The videos aren't that long. Well, they may start to be a little long with this series because I have been yapping so much. But, still, I think it'll be fine. Okay? It's not like an hour-long podcast like my podcasts have been. Oh, speaking of podcasts, should I do one at the end of this month? Maybe at the beginning of November, I'll do a podcast to just go over all of the projects that I've been working on this month. I sort of kind of plan to do 3 sweaters this month, like finish 3 sweaters this month. I think that will be so cool because the next sweater that I have is the Korshavn sweater, and I think I can get that done in like 7 days. So we'll see. Doesn't matter. Forget about that. Anyway, today, finish the body, okay? Which means start and finish the body ribbing. Let me refresh my memory. I'm pretty sure I have to do 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches of ribbing, but let's be sure, okay? Ribbing, change 3.5, yada yada. 2x2 ribbing for 9 centimeters. Okay, let's get it. I'm so excited because then you'll be able to see the true length, you know? Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, I actually need this because it's not just 2x2 flat. You have to do like knit 1, knit 2, purl 2 until the last 3 stitches, then knit 3, and then the next one, purl 1, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Yeah, that's too much. Okay, I will just get started, but I actually need to take the SIM card, the SD card out of this camera so I can start transferring clips, so talk in a bit. Okay, update guys. I've edited and scheduled 1 video, and I've done 7 rounds of ribbing while I did that. Ooh, this looks so good! Dude, 2x2, I was talking to Malika, 2x2 always looks weird when it's like spread out, but then you gotta bunch it together, you know? You gotta bunch it together like this to really get the effect. Sorry if the fan is like blowing on here, but yeah, so 7 rounds, rows, 7 rows done out of like 30. And I'm taking a break to eat some stewed chicken and rice and drinking an Izzy. So I was gonna edit while I did this. I'm gonna take a break from editing, okay? And I'm gonna watch, should I watch an episode of Criminal Minds? I think I should. Yeah, let's do it. I'm gonna be editing all day. I might as well indulge in a little episode. Alright, so I'm gonna watch Criminal Minds while I eat, and then if I'm still watching Criminal Minds as I'm eating, no, when I'm done eating, I'm gonna just knit and watch it, and then I'll go back to editing. Hello! I have not been doing a bunch of updates because I've been editing all day, okay? All freaking day. Let me turn my hourglass. Hold on. I love my hourglass. Yeah, I've been editing all day, okay? It is currently 9:30 p.m. and I am on number 6 that I am editing right now. So I needed to edit 7 videos. Wrong. Wrong. I counted wrong. I need to edit 8 videos. Okay, I have finished 5 and scheduled 5. Yay! I'm so productive. And now I'm editing number 6. Will I edit every single video? Yes. Absolutely. Because I still need to edit the same amount of videos for my TikToks. They're shorter, so it's fine. But YouTube, I want to make sure that everything is good and scheduled and edited because I'm going to be filming still every single day. So I will still have like 5 more videos to edit as I continue filming, you know? So like at the end of this series, I will need to edit like 5 more videos. So instead of editing 9, 10 videos, I take it in pieces. But this one, you know, I kind of procrastinated the first 2 videos. So technically I would have only had 6 videos to edit. 6? 5. 6. Whatever, it doesn't matter. I'm here to give you an update on my project, actually. Look at that. I am officially halfway through, okay? When I measured after I did 10 rows, after I did 10 rows, that was 3 centimeters, which means another 10 will be another 3, and another 10 will be another 3, and 3, 6, 9, what's that? 9 centimeters, 30 rows, exactly. So, halfway through, this is at 5 centimeters right now. Whoa, does that mean I'm going to be doing 10 centimeters? And 15 is 5 centimeters? That is correct. Well, I'm still going to do 15 more rows, so whatever. Do I want to finish that tonight? Yes, I do. So does that mean I'll be staying up? Yes, it does. I'll be staying up all night and around until we see the sun. I wanna... It just reminded me that Liam is no longer here. Anyway, I am halfway through this. I'm gonna pause. I'm gonna eat a little snacky snack. Let me actually hold it up the correct way that I'll be wearing it. Ooh. Okay, let's do it this way. Ooh. This freaking cord is curly, so it's curling up the project. Like, stay down, please. I'm just trying to show everyone my cardigan. Anyway. Here it is. Ooh, wait. Okay, this is the neck. I still have basically 5 more centimeters to knit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm loving it. Okay, stop it. Every time, like, does this happen to anyone else? Like, do phrases and words like trigger a song in your head and you just have to? Okay. Anyway. I'm going to take a break, I'm going to eat a snack, and I'm going to come back. I'm going to continue editing. I am on number 6, like I said. Number 6 is long. It's a longer video. And that's it for now. Goodbye. I haven't done much of the time-lapsey stuff, okay? It is currently 12:39. Give me my money. Okay. And I got to row 20. I finished row 20. So I have 10 more rows to go. But I'm gonna do it tomorrow, okay? And I'm just not gonna push it, alright? I edited and scheduled and uploaded. So, edited, uploaded, and scheduled 8 videos today. YouTube videos, okay? The videos range from 5 minutes to 18 minutes. And I finished them. Yes. They are scheduled up to October 29th. That's so exciting. That's until next Tuesday. Today's Monday, the 22nd. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. So I was able to watch 2 episodes of Criminal Minds, one when I was eating and one just now when I was finishing up my 19th and 20th row. Very, very exciting. But I do not have the energy to finish this. I said I was going to stay up, but I'm going to be honest. I do not feel like staying up that late. And I've knit 7 centimeters today while editing the equivalent to hours of footage today. So that's great, okay? And that's all that I have for this video. I just want to look at this because, like I said in a previous video, knitting flat, I can't really tell my progress because it's just flat. Like, I don't see anything growing. It just looks the same. Compared to when in the round, I feel like you can really tell because it just grows and grows and grows until you end it. Anyway, here is the cardigan. I have 10 more rows to go. So the length is turning out exactly how I want it, and I'm loving it, okay? So that's all that I have for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I loved wearing this sweater all day today. This is the Leon sweater by Petite Knit. I think I mentioned that. It's such a perfect everyday kind of sweater. It's not my typical oversized nest. Like, look at the sleeves, look at the body. Honestly, I feel like this shrank. I'm gonna be honest. But no, forget that. Anyway, maybe tomorrow I'll wear something knitted again. But I have so many things with mohair that I'm like, I needed to chill on the mohair because it gets too hot here to be wearing mohair. But do I have anything? We'll see. Most of my stuff I don't knit to wear anyway. I just knit to knit because it's fun. Anyway, how many times can I say anyway, so, but, and like, okay, and okay. Anyway, so, but, like, okay, crutch words. I don't care. I will use my crutch words until crutch until crutch words don't exist anymore. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, I'm going to bed because I've been staying up every single day late, and I don't like that. I don't think that's time to read, but I will. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I said that. Now I'm so excited. Hold on, let me stuff this in the back. Oh, hold on. Let me show you the skeins. This is what's left of the skeins so far, so I'll definitely finish the body with the 4 skeins that I originally wound up. I haven't had to wind up any more yarn so far, but I know I will for like a half of a sleeve and then the second sleeve. I think I'll just wind up one more skein and then just double it on itself. Yeah. Anyway, I have a Kindle holder thingy. Oh my gosh. Oh, my daily showing, hold on, of how the dye has been dyeing my hands and my fingernails. Can you see it on here? Yo, wait, clear up. Yeah, there it is. This one wasn't clear when I showed it, but this is what's happening to my hand. I don't care. Once I finish this project, I don't remember where this left off on. I was showing you my hands and my fingernails and how they're painted by the yarn. And then I think I pressed the button and it stopped recording. Whoopsies. Anyway, I'm gonna read a little bit. A low-key fanfic that I'm reading. Not low-key, like L-O, like that's low-key. No, Loki. Loki from Asgard, from the ice world. What's that called? Somethingheim. The frost giant. Loki. Okay? Loki and Thor. I'm reading a Loki fanfic. And I'm very excited to go to sleep reading it. I'm rambling! That's it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.